Hi, welcome back, Marco here. Today we look at two strategies to make money with Shiba Inu coin, and yes, it's gonna be very interesting, so let's dive straight into it. Now, why are we looking at these strategies now? Because we have Shiba Swap and something that has just started happening now. So we are looking at what's happening with the staking, because that's the important bit. That's actually one of the two strategies. So that's why we are on the main Shiba Swap page. By staking, I mean bury. And bury, now we got this message from Satoshi Kusama that basically said, yeah, we finally started the rewards distribution process. That was literally 2 days ago. That's why I'm making this video. And by the way, if you want to know all the latest news on Shiba Inu coin, this is why I'm making this video, so that you're always up to date and you know how to make the most of this coin. Now, we've started the reward distribution process. And this is very important to know this, because the staking on Shiba Swap is based on the amount of liquidity pool that has been gathered over the days and etc. That's why I'm also showing you the white paper. It's very important. So for example, if you bury, which is staking Shib, you would basically create the X Shib pool. Now, and that's what you would also get, X Shib, as a share of the pool. And the way you would get it is 33% of the overall pool straight away. And then the 66% will be locked for 6 months. That is very important, because basically they've now recently, as I told you 2 days ago, showed us that they've started the reward process. And basically these are the rewards that you see on the screen right now. So that's how much Shiba token and all the other pairs that are available on Shiba Swap. And that's basically what we have now. So we have USDT, we have DAI, we have Shib, Leash, and Bone. So these are all the pools, that's the overall. And also you see that this is already multiplied by the 33% that is available to take away whenever you want. Basically, that is available for distribution. And you would get a share of your, obviously, coin that you've been staking, and that's gonna be based on this, basically the overall amount. What's really good is that this is not the only way to make money on Shiba Swap. There are in fact other ways. So for example, you can stake your coins, and in this video, this is not the second way we're gonna make money. The second way is very interesting, and we're gonna have a look at it in just 1 second. But please remember that I make these videos on Shiba Inu coin on a regular basis, so that you are up to date and you know everything about the Shiba Inu community and project. And in fact, the next way to make money, it's very, very simple. It's basically through by simply holding the coin. And what's really good is that we have this catalyst coming up, and this is one big catalyst. So we have, this is ETORO, and ETORO has finally given us an update on Shiba Inu, on Shib, and this is gonna be massive, guys, because one of the platforms that I'm always advising to use to buy Shiba Inu coin was Binance. But as soon as ETORO will be adding it, guys, we are all moving to ETORO, and myself included. I'm gonna buy more Shiba Inu coin, more Shib, on eToro. So as you can see, we intend to keep adding more assets, and on the 24th of May alone, we added 4 new ones. Okay, right now we are working on Shib, and this is what's really important. What they said is that they are really close to actually listing Shib. For example, they wanted to try to manage our expectations. So for example, they said, reality, we want to list an asset, tech stuff listed. So they are basically telling us that it's not easy to list something on eToro. So what they then gave us as an update on July the 16th, so 4 days ago, is that in reality for Shiba Inu, for Shib, they are already very close. We are at the latest stuff, the latest step before we actually get listed. So this is one of the major catalysts that will come up very soon, and I will be obviously making a new video when that happens, so that you're always up to date. But this is not even the biggest catalyst that I see happening very soon, and we're gonna have a look at it in just 1 second. This is the biggest catalyst, because once we finally have the eToro listing, we are gonna look at Robinhood. It's all part of the massive Shiba Inu plan, and to be honest, I'm not sure if it will ever be listed on COINBASE, but Robinhood is probably gonna be one of the trading apps that we are gonna land on. As you can see, we have reached our goal of 172,000 signatures, and now we finally are aiming to 200,000. This is a massive goal, and to be honest, I'm gonna leave it in the description for you to go and sign, because we really need to get this going. You imagine, I've shown you so many times on this channel, but the amount of people using Robinhood to trade is just insane, and this would really send the price of Shiba token to the moon. But if you want to make money by simply taking advantage of all the catalysts, of all the good news that comes out on Shiba Inu, you will actually need to understand when to buy or to when cost average in. And that's what we're gonna have a look at now. We're gonna have a look at the chart right now. Now, this is the Shiba Inu USDT, so Tether chart. And as you can see, we are not doing too well, to be honest. We are inside this massive wedge and we keep bouncing about, and we have now reached some kind of bottom. That is actually quite positive, because obviously if you want to buy now, that is not too bad. Overall, we know that the main catalyst, the main reason for this dump was that the whole crypto market went down. And so Shiba Inu, Shib, is actually gonna be one of those tokens that I believe will be victorious at the end of this bear market. And I think that at the time of recording, it's probably a very good time if you want to start dollar cost average in. And again, we are probably just 1 week away, I would think, 1 week away from the listing on eToro. And this would definitely increase at least the price by, I would just like roughly guess, about 20% at very least, or maybe even more. I think this will be the catalyst that potentially will break this pattern, and we might move on to a more like parabolic pattern, and that would be incredibly good for the token, obviously, but also for the project, because at the moment they're working on other ways for the community to make money, because we cannot just rely on Shiba Swap, and at the moment that's probably their main goal at the moment, to get Shiba Swap right. But at the same time, they also are coming up with other catalysts. eToro is gonna be probably the short-term catalyst that you absolutely need to get on. You need to make sure that you have a bit of Shiba Inu coin in your wallet if you want to take advantage of this catalyst. And by the way, this is not financial advice. And in terms of overall token holders, and we are looking at wallets here, is actually going up quite nicely in spite of the bear market. This is what we are looking at right now. We are actually crossing almost, we are about 550,000 more or less, give or take, and basically it's a very good result for Shiba Inu coin and the whole community. And if you want to buy Shib, the best way is to buy your Ethereum on, for example, a very good broker, which could be Coinbase Pro. And if you haven't got your Coinbase account yet, get yourself one using the first link in the description below. And if you buy at least $100 worth of Ethereum, in this case for Shiba, well, you would get £10 worth of Bitcoin as well as some kind of reward for your very first purchase. And if you want to know more news on Shiba Inu coin, watch this video. The video on the screen right now are more news on Shiba Inu coin. So click on the video and I'll see you there.